Hey everyone, in this guide we will show you how you can turn off Apple Watch Workout Buddy feature and make your workouts peaceful again. With iOS and watchOS 26 updates, Apple has introduced the new Workout Buddy feature that announces milestones into your headphones. The Workout Buddy tells you whenever you have ran a mile, closed rings, or crossed major milestones like crossing 500 miles, etc. While some people might like this feature, others might find it annoying and distracting, especially if you prefer to work out in peace. The Workout Buddy also interrupts your music during workouts and speaks over it, which can be particularly annoying. Thankfully, it is super simple to turn this feature off, and we will show you how to do it on both Apple Watch and the Workout app on iPhone. Whenever you are in a workout, you can swipe to the left screen. This screen gives you access to various controls. Here, slide down and tap on the mute button. Doing so will mute the Workout Buddy and it will no longer speak during your workouts. Similarly, on your iPhone, swipe up on the timer interface to expand it. Then tap on the mute option from here. To unmute the Workout Buddy, just tap on the unmute button here. That's it. This is how you can turn off Workout Buddy feature and make your workouts peaceful again. If you like this tip, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone and Apple Watch tips. Thanks for watching.